Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Poco M6. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box if you have put it back after inserting the SIM card. And then you should find it here in this yellow box. Open it and here it should be. Okay, just release it. Otherwise, by the way, if you don't have it anymore, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray you will find a little hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. On that SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card also here the microSD card next to, or a second SIM card. So in case if you're having a second SIM card now here placed in this SIM tray, then you need to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card because it is using the same space. Okay, let me show you now how you can insert the microSD card. So as you can see, it needs the full space here. So just lay it in, and this is how it should look like then. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, if you're ready, just put your construction back into the SIM slot, close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.